Hey, it's Sydney. We're back with another fashion video. Today is going to be kind of a lookbook style. I put together a bunch of outfits that are perfect for a vacation, for warm spring and summer weather. I'm currently packing for my spring break, so these are going to be the outfits that I'm wearing for that, and I figured I would share them with you guys. So before we get into it, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, check out my Instagram and TikTok, which will be linked below, and of course you can shop all of the outfits that I'm showing you guys today in the description. I'm going to try and link every single piece, and if something's sold out, I'll be linking a similar item. So if you do want to recreate any of these outfits, you can shop everything below. I had so much fun putting together these really cute, tropical kind of summery outfits. If you like any of these, drop me a comment and tell me what your favorite outfit was. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I think that is everything. So let's get right into these spring break and summer inspired outfits.